everyone, how you doing today? I'm just into the garden now. It's kind of snowing out now. I've got a carport to put up. I'm going to hope to use for greenhouse greenhouse for next year. My girlfriend picked it up from a friend of hers, and she's come over to help me to set it up. So I'll show you the little carport here. Hey Diego, that's Diego, my uncle's dog. So we're going to try to set this carport up today and get a little greenhouse for next year. So it's going up a lot easier than I thought. We've got most of the parts figured out. We just have to do the end section and we'll be good to go to tighten everything up and then move it in the spot where I want to put it for next year. Okay, here we go. We've got the carport up. Pretty exciting. It's about, I don't know, 25-30 feet long. And I need to, in the spring, obviously it's too cold and frozen now, but I'm going to have to dig out some of the dirt here. And dig all the dirt out to level it out. And I can expand my bed here. And then I'll be able to have some nice trellises in here for growing tomatoes and pickling cucumbers and things like that. And I'm gonna have to come back and measure it and get the right size of plastic for next spring and get it done up. And I'll probably try to put some frame on the end of it as well here with the door or two to keep the critters out, like deer. And there you go. So there you go, guys. A quick little setup on my new greenhouse slash carport for next spring. Really exciting. I really need this spot here because this is the spot that frosts quite fast in the fall, and usually frost June as well, so we'll have it hopefully protected by spring crops. So thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give it a like, and share it around, and we'll see you guys soon.